Welcome to HAX.cloud. This might not work exactly like cloud services you're used to, though. What should I do? I should read the directions. Click download. Okay. This gives me a single HAX site. The structure of exactly what happens when you hit start if you've used HAX before, right? The very first thing we get. So I'm going to extract that to my desktop. Show file. Right, I have HAX single site main right there. Okay. Now I'm going to select a HAX site from my local machine. Go to desktop and select the thing I just downloaded. Are you sure you want to edit these files? You will get this prompt in Chrome, should be in Edge and Opera as well. This is loading off the file system directly. There's welcome. Now if I hit refresh, it goes away. So let's load it again. Single site. Sure, I would like to be able to edit these files. Search NASA. Why not? Awesome. Now let's hit save. Refresh. Select a site again. Desktop. Single main site. Voila. It's still there. That's because it's coming from my computer. So if I go to pages, just to confirm here, there is that NASA image that I put into this page. Now, I don't have all the routes mapped as of this time, but this thing that I just downloaded here, nothing else, right? I'm completely offline is what I'm saving these things as. I can go to a space in Canvas here. I'm going to say SCORM package. I'm going to upload the thing that I'm going to zip it first. I'm going to take the site that I have and find it here. There we go. Make sure I get on the desktop. Okay. I'm going to compress it. I want to make sure there's no smoke and mirrors here. Okay. So I have compressed that thing that I downloaded that I modified. I'm going to make sure I have the exact copy. Here we go. Okay. Irregardless of the authorware aspects of this, it's kind of a big deal. Single site. And there we have my site as a SCORM package that I just embedded into a learning management system. Maybe that's not your thing. Maybe you're really into tooling-based solutions. And so you go to here and you type Surge. Sure. request.surge.sh. Now it's out on the internet. And because it's out on the internet, that means that site.json is valid. And if site.json exists anywhere on the internet, I can log into a full-blown copy of HAX and do import from HAX CMS. But I'm pointing to that address that I just spun up that I was editing completely offline. And now remix put that content out on another site that has all of the capabilities of HAX. Eventually, that other system will have all of the capabilities of HAX. So I make a bunch of changes. I download and add some files to this just for funsies. Let's add an image here, and then we will take a photo with one of these webcams. Don't know which one. Save. I'll go back to site list. We will search for that HAX single site, and now I will download that HAX single site. HAX single site downloaded. I will go back to Canvas with my remix of minor modifications, and then I will go back into course space, SCORM, upload, and we'll take that HAX single site that I just downloaded. Oh, make sure I get the right one here. It's not named that. It's named HAX single site, all one word. Modify. There we go. Okay. HAX single sites. At the same time, I'm going to open this. I'm going to extract it into a new folder on my machine. Go to desktop. We'll make a new thing. Remix culture. And then we're going to extract the files into remix culture. So we have a remix culture on my computer. Oh, darn it. It wasn't a valid SCORM package. Oh, so close. I'll have to figure out why that was just complaining it's not a valid SCORM package, because it was a second ago. So close on a single run through of remixing the site. Let's try on the on HAX.cloud. See if we can't take that remixed material, remix culture. I was gonna say, I don't know that the file of me, the picture of me would load. I haven't come up with a way of doing that, of loading the file off local file system. And I might have to do some trickery, or not entirely sure if that's possible with the APIs as they are given. So let's see, is there not a file in here? I know what I did. I remixed it away from what it actually was. So I am on version 16. We're currently running 4.15 internally. And so if I copy a handful of these files, to be perfectly honest, we'll just do those, but not site JSON. That's the important one. So if I copy these over, sure, whatever. Yeah, replace all, I don't care. And then we'll zip up remix culture again, compress. Now let's take remix culture, the desktop. Let's see if the SCORM housing worked or not. So that close. Oh, goodness. All right. So single site. There it is with the change from before. Okay, we're done with that. Two things called build test. Oh, that's an earlier one. Hey, there it is. And there's the picture of me. There's the remix culture end to end. So needless to say, I'm very excited about the implications of what this is, even with these small hiccups along the way. This is running 7.15 and I'm running 7.16 locally. So when I push up the latest version of the code, this last little hiccup won't occur, and you'll just be able to keep stamping and remixing and sharing and dropping and not needing an environment setup in order to edit. Basically turns HAX into authorware, as well as a website generation system, as well as courseware, as well as something for publishing near static sites, as well as SCORM packaging environment, all in the same thing. And this is what we're talking about when we use the phrase hack the web.